In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect Fusion Markets to Metatrader 4. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to fusionmarkets.com. I'll also put a link to that down in the description below for you to check out. Once you're inside of here, it should bring something like this. Now from here you'll need to go up to the login page and then sign in using your account. And as you can see, you can either use your email or your Google or Apple ID to sign up. If you are not a client yet, you can always sign up using this button right here, then just follow the process of signing up. Once you're inside of your dashboard, it should bring something like this. And now from here, you'll be able to see the trading accounts over here. And from here, you'll need to create an account that can be connected to Metatrader 4. And to do that, you'll simply need to go over to create account up here in the right-hand corner, click on that, and then you can either choose a live account or a demo account. Now, if you choose that, this will both work each way. You'll just need to make sure that you have 100% verified your account before you can create a live account. Once from here, you'll just need to change the trading platform from MetaTrader 5 to MetaTrader 4. But then from here, you can change the account type, the base currency, the leverage, and the amount that you want to deposit it to this account, and add a ref code if you want to do that. Now from here, you'll simply need to click Create Account. And then from here, it should bring something like this. And now from here, you can see it's pending right now and will take a couple of days, maybe hours, to get this to be completed. From here, you'll be able to see your MetaTrader 4 login info right here that you can copy. And then from here, you'll simply need to go down to the Downloads tab over here in the menu. And then from here, the first thing you should be able to see is MetaTrader 4. And then you can either download it to your Windows computer, your iPhone or iPad, your Android, your Mac, or you can use the web version. If you click on the web version, it should bring something like this inside of the terminal. Now from here, you'll need to go over to the login page and just paste the login information inside of here and add your password that you have created with creating a Fusion Markets account. From here, you'll also be able to choose the server, either Fusion Market Demo, Live, or Live 2. You'll be able to see that over here in the trading accounts, and then go over here to where it says edit account. You can also click show more right here to see which server it is inside of. From here, you'll just need to click on it and then click OK. If you have a demo account, you'll just need to click demo like so. From here, you can also create a new demo account if you want to do that. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!